Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add pictures in OnlyFans. If you're trying to add a profile picture for yourself on OnlyFans, then the process is quite easy. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the OnlyFans application on your device and make sure to log into your account as well. From the main homepage of OnlyFans, tap on your profile initial at the bottom right. In the expanded menu, click on your profile picture at the top or your name initial at the top. This will then take you to this page where you'll need to select Edit Profile. Right where you can see the camera icon right above your initials at the top left, tap on the camera icon and then browse from the files in your mobile device or any of your other devices. Select the Image tab and select an image for yourself from your device's photo library. Soon after you select a picture, you can now adjust it according to your preference. You can crop the image, add text or any other edits on your profile picture and tap on Save. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to upload your picture. You can also add a cover image by selecting the camera icon at the middle of the screen. You can also select a cover image from your device's library and finally, tap on Save at the top right corner. This will then be able to add a profile picture for yourself on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.